Multiplying a number by 9. For example, 47 times 9. Why you may not want to go multiplying by column, since we know that 9 is just a step backward from 10, and it's easier to multiply these by 10. This is what we would do. Multiply the number by 10 so that you have 470. Then take 1 unit of it, that's 47, away from that number, right? Such that we have 3, 2, 4. 423. So if you multiply these by column, let's say you have 47 here in the corner, 47 times 9. 9 times 7 is 63, so we have 3, carry 6 to the tens place, and 9 times 4 is 36, 36 plus 6 is 42, so you see we have that. So a quick way to multiply a number by 9, no matter how big the number is, for example, you have 1218 multiplied by 9, right? Instead of going 4 steps, multiply these by 9. Multiply these by 10, because 9 is a step backward from 10, and it's easy to multiply by 10. So we have 1218 with a 0 at the back, and then we can take away 1 unit of this, such that we take away just 1218 from this, and then we have this. This becomes 7, so that this becomes 10. We have 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 2 is not possible, so we borrow from here. So this remains 1, and this becomes 11. And then we have 9. 1 take away 1 is 0. And then we have 1. 1, 2, 3, the comma. So your answer, 1218 multiplied by 9 is 10,962. Multiply a number by 9. First multiply it by 10. And take just a unit of it away from your answer.